another vlog. Okay, you guys, this is our moving vlog, right? So this vlog has already started. I just have to do like a proper intro to this video. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Amy to the Zero freaking and Amazon. If you're new, don't make it your last time, so subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, like the video, and all of the like good stuff. Okay, so first of all, skin is skinning, hair is giving. All right, so that's by the way. But you guys, basically, this vlog is going to be a moving vlog. Okay, I actually did not get to film the moving itself because it was very chaotic. You guys, like, that's a story for another day, right? Okay, but we moved in. I'm going to show you what the starter space looks like before I try to do a little arrangement. It's still echoing because our living room is empty. I'm sure you guys can see that's like the only arranged part, and then the bedroom is a mess. So we're literally just around the kitchen, we're buying things all over again from scratch. I know this is what adulthood looks like most of the times. I mean, yeah, the bills are coming in, they are coming in, baby girl. But let's hope that the same God who provided money for the rent is gonna provide money for the furnitures, okay? And then we're gonna have a proper apartment tour. But my hair is giving again. So let's dive into this video. So today is Sunday, you guys. I have a meeting for 3. I'm already late. I just thought I'd do this quick video because I don't think I'm going to do it. I cleaned this apartment even after paying somebody money to clean it, and the person didn't do nothing. I had to break my back yesterday to clean this place. I didn't even vlog it because of how intense the entire thing was. I brought in my aloe vera plant. I'm going to show you guys that in a jiffy, and then I just tried to make the place look, reasonable so somebody can live and breathe in it anyways. So the dust is gone and all of that crazy stuff. But yeah, I have a meeting. I'm heading out for that meeting right now. I think later in the day I'm going to do karaoke with the girls, hopefully. But if all of that happens, you guys are going to get to see. So enjoy the video with me. Ta-da! Hi guys, so today is day 1 of our moving. Today is day 1. We're trying to move these things bit by bit. But if you can move everything today, I'd be so glad. Because let's just get out of here, okay? So yeah, I'm looking like a crazy old lady, but that's none of your business. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. So back with me. You guys, we moved in yesterday, and look at how we look homeless in our home.
So today, guys, I'm gonna be making a video on my purple look. Yes, all purple except my hair, my brows, my lashes,
Nonsense.
my liner, and
you
my
guys,
lip.
This is an empty apartment tour.
Batman looking good in the air.
Batman Chukwebuka. Sports car, eh, whoa, eh. This is the bedroom, scattered apartment tour, you guys. Have you seen? We don't even have a wardrobe. This is the reality of this life, oh. Hey, people. This is the bathroom. Right? Then this is the kitchen. We're trying to unpack food. My dad sent us food.
They don't use like that. The new one.
I say hello to my sister. Why are you eating Gary this early morning? You've already taken oats. This filter
doesn't matter.
You guys, this is an empty kitchen.
Whatever you feel like.
This is the only part of this house we managed, even though we still need like cabinets here to pack things out of the ground. But fam, this is the living room, and that is Perry feeling like one thing. We got in here yesterday evening. What's this one? You're wearing silk robe. It's the audacity for me. So you guys, that's the empty reality. This one is a makeshift. You went to what kind of what is all this luxury that is not your own?
Can you imagine? Even when the house is not set, look at the bougie treatment.
I'm giving her bougie.
I remove my bougie treatment. I'm giving this.
This is the bathroom, guys. The bathroom is so small, but it's okay. They had to put pink. Guys, this house has a lot of work to be done. It's bad. We don't want to use it. This is another place in the house that is a little bit arranged. I mean, Harry Potter bags.
Luxury bag.
Luxury bag collection, according to my sister. My luxury bags collection. You guys bring money. So this woman, you say close up of what now?
Hi guys, so I just woke up and I feel so good.
You woke up what? You woke up when?
I woke up looking this good, you know.
Wait, this is good. Oh yeah, remove. They will not ignite your destiny.
See my face. Guys, this room is a little dark. I'm using Snapchat to record this thing.
I know
So
that cup is empty.
yeah. This is the reality of things. Forget the aesthetics. This, what is she doing? She's pretending, like this girl is pretending to drink, to be drinking coffee. It's the audacity for me. Oh, the
There
audacity.
is actually something in here.
What inside? Let's see.
Air of life.
Guys, so this is behind the scene of Perry's first YouTube video. I'm still looking like somebody's grandmother from the village. But that ain't none of your business. Mind your business. Okay? Mind your business. So,
You are
you guys see
on the
Perry.
road.
Say hello.
Hi bitches.
Hey, God Almighty. Guys, see the setup she's using. So she's doing like, ignore all these things. You guys know we just moved in and we ain't arranging shit right now, so yeah. But yada 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 yada. Hey.
Why are you acting like this? Don't act like this. I'm not your friend.
Hey guys, this is me checking in after what 48 hours or so. You guys, this room is echoing because I did some badass arrangements from what you guys saw initially. I had to like take things out of the place. Guys, I'm so pissed and I don't know why people have to behave the way they behave. Let me tell you what happened. So after we paid for this place, they had the painting done and everything. The landlord suggested that we pay people to wash the place. Yeah, he knew people were going to do it, yada yada yada, so it made sense. And then I sent money over. Guys, do you believe that this place has not been washed at all? Like somebody collected my money and didn't do anything. And the tiles are white. Guys, the tiles in this entire apartment is white. If you sweep, the dust will literally hover up in the air. You can't breathe properly. I'm so pissed. Like, why would you charge me and then you didn't even wash the place? Guys, they didn't even wash nothing. Not even the floor. The tiles is as dirty as it was the day we came to check out the apartments. Everything is just the same. Anyway. Hi guys. So I just thought I'd do like an unboxing after unboxing. So I see this brand on Instagram a lot and I love the way their products look, the way they market. I love their reviews, the texture of the products, at least the one I see with my eyes, if that makes sense. So I decided to order because the weather is really drying, so I just thought I add in like a butter and a scrub because it's been a while with the exfoliation. So I ordered this product from Oledo Naturals. And they literally came in like 3 hours after I placed the order. 3 or 2 hours after I placed the order, the products came in. This is their hair and body, Oledo Naturals hair and body. So it's hair and body brand, that kind of thing. But this is their raw sugar scrub. I don't know if you guys can see. This is their raw sugar scrub, guys. This smells so good. I've used it. It smells so good and it looks so moisturizing. Can you guys see that? It's dope. Not even gonna lie, it is dope. Then I have the moisturizing butter here. Right, this also, the quantity is insane. It is so soft. Can you guys see? Let me try to make you guys focus on this butter. Can you guys see this butter? It's crazy. It's just so dope. Look at that. Right, let me do like a texture test for you guys. Like, it's so amazing. Can you guys see that? it's really nice. So I used it, and my skin really stayed moisturized that day despite the weather, right? So look at how cool that is. Look at how, wow, guys, this brand is everything, right? It's everything. And yeah, so let's move on with our day. So I succeeded in uprooting my aloe vera plants from the former apartment. Guys, this is not all. I probably had like 10 to 15, heads of this. But these were the ones I could carry out. And I decided to put them in this. Look at that. Hi guys, good morning. Ignore my dry lips. You guys, the Hamatan is insane. It's insane. Like, I go to bed with very moisturized face and then I wake up with very dry face. My skin is just drying out. My skin is just drying out. At this point, I need a good body butter. But what's up, guys? It's a new day. Yeah. So today I have a meeting. That meeting is supposed to be for either 11 or 1, but I had to call them to reschedule because as at 9:30, I'm not fully woken up. So we have to be very intentional this year, you guys, like very intentional, right? So some of the things I plan to do this year for myself is to invest a lot in myself, right? I've already started doing that, and I know how much I spent so far on a project. And I need to tell you, like, it's been God's mercies and favor all through. Ignore the mess behind. We don't have a wardrobe here, so there's a lot of things going on there. It has been God's mercies and grace so far. I tell you the truth. And his favor because you guys, the year had not even started and I was already crying from frustration. Guys, the only thing that kept me going was faith. Like, I would kneel down and I would lie down on my bed and I would just cry and I would just tell God, please, 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 please make a way. And before I blink, he comes through like like really fast. Yeah. Okay, so this year I want to invest a lot in myself because the truth is it's very important. I want my skills to be so refined to a point that you can't ignore it. When kings are clapping for you, that's the goal this year. So that means I have to take more courses, I have to join more classes, I have to buy more courses, I have to do more trainings, I have to refine rather my social media management and marketing skills. I have to learn a lot of things so that I can work with high paying brands, because one of the goals this year is to sign up premium brands. Lord help me. Okay, so to sign up premium brands, it means I have to be a premium service delivery person, right? Or I have to be a premium service provider. That's a better to be better rephrased. It has to be a better or premium service provider. Okay, so I have to hone my skills so much that you can't ignore it. Yeah. Okay, so I have a dress I'm supposed to wear for my meeting today, and I think it's rumple. I was supposed to have pressed that dress last night, you guys. I slept off. Like, I was too exhausted. There was light, but I was too tired to wake up and start pressing that dress. I'm telling you the truth right now. But in 2022, we're not trying to wear rumple clothes for meetings, right? My list has to cross to you guys. Ignore it. We're not trying to wear rumple clothes for meetings. I might just throw on a pair of denim, a sneakers, and a top and get out of here. But till then, let me try to get something to eat, do my, take a shower and all of that. The meeting is for 1. It was supposed to be for 11 or 1, so I picked 1 p.m. because at 10:30, I'm not woken up fully, like I said. So let's just try to get onto things. My sister is not around. She closed very late from work, so she had to sleep over in Paris' house. I had to sleep here alone. And you guys, you don't know, if you've not watched my robbery story, I have PTSD. But then I just had to say a prayer and say, Holy Spirit, give me a good sleep. And he did. He gave me a good sleep. So we're still overcoming that, and very soon we'll be truly over it. Okay? So let's get on to work. My dry skin, god damn it. Let's get on to arranging things. I'm getting ready. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm done. It's time to head out. I'm wearing a top and a denim pair of sneakers, and I'm carrying this leather bag because it's going to contain my books that I would need. So let's get out. My face is now moisturized. You guys can see the difference. Plump and yes. So I'm almost here. Thank you. Good afternoon. On to another day in the life. So today I'm taking pictures for a brand, my favorite brand, you guys. Adana. Look at that. Ah. So they send these products over. Skin is skinny, yo. But that's by the way. And I'm taking pictures. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay. I have so many products and props to work with here. Yeah. So look at that. Okay. And then I'm working with just this small reflector light and a little of the sunlight. So there we go. Yeah, Perry and I were just fooling around with my sister's phone because our battery was dead. Oh my god, you guys. Meanwhile, quick update, I made my hair. You're gonna see it in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I might end this vlog here and start a new vlog in a new week. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, look at the difference between the hand I moisturized and the one I did not moisturize. Can you see that?